Hello everyone. So I've been gone for too long, but I'm back again. Apparently, Google, like GDSC, just announced that you will get swags if you complete this Google Cloud Career Practitioner campaign. Both the participants and me, your facilitator. I will only get if your 35 of the participants complete the entire course, and you will get either way if you complete the course. Let me show you the mail where I received that information. So as you can see, this is the mail. They have extended the campaign to 9 January. So that is why I'm making this video right now. Otherwise, the campaign based on the previous date is already over. And now you can complete the course, and we have to also make a project by the end. So I'm hoping some volunteers who will come up and help me in making that project. So as you can see, work on your project using the credit, and also you can complete the course during this time and receive the final submission form on December 29th. We have to submit it by December 29th, that is tomorrow. Complete the project. Okay, we will receive the submission form by tomorrow, and we have to complete it by 29th of Jan, and we'll receive the final report of this entire how our IST performed, how GTSC IST performed in this campaign. Okay, so as you can see, this is the reward section. Tier 1, that is the best tier that we've 70 plus participants complete the entire GCP. This is what I will get, and this is what the participants will get. And this is the tier 2, more than 50, less than 70. Facilitator, and this is the participant price. Tier 3, 35 plus, less than 50. I will get a t-shirt, and you will get a t-shirt and a bottle. And see, these images are for reference only, and the actual product will be different. We'll reach out only to the facilitator, not to any individual participant. And facilitator will be only eligible to receive rewards if they achieve their milestone. So if I don't achieve the milestone, I won't get. And they are also saying that please do not commit any rewards to your community. However, you may distribute to the enrolled participants at your own discretion on successful completion. So if you complete it, you will get it. It's told to me that not to commit, that I cannot, they might not give because of some reason. Okay, that's it. So let me show you how you can complete the labs. So as you can see, like in all these courses over here, let me go to back. This is the path, cloud engineer learning path. If you click on prepare for your associate cloud engineering journey, click on continue. You have to complete each of these individual courses, and basically all these courses, if you want to save time, then just click on here. It will, for all those that you have not completed, in the top right corner you will see as mark as completed. Suppose I have not
So you're
done
preparing for the
this one.
Associate Cloud Engineer certification.
You will see here it is written as mark as completed. So if you click on mark as completed, you can complete all the courses. And for the quizzes, you can see there is a quiz for almost, except the first one. Second one has the quiz. You have to complete the quiz. That you can't mark as completed. You have to complete the entire quiz only, and you have to pass also. Then only you can complete the entire course. So all the answer to these quizzes are in this document. So these are the questions. Pick two choice from option below. There would be answers over here only. If I just pick two choices, see, this is the question, same question. and here it is given the answer correct. Is B, cloud shell provides cloud based CLI environment, and it's also written how you can the explanation of why this is the correct answer. So this is how all the courses are designed. You have to watch all the videos, read the materials, and complete the quiz. For videos, I suggest you just read it instead of watching the video. Like it's the video keeps on going by showing one slide, and you have to keep on focusing on what he's saying. So sometimes you might lose focus and you might not understand properly. But instead, you can just read the transcript and understand what this whole video is about. That's how you can quickly skim through this video. And if you don't want to watch the video and just want to complete for the sake of completing the entire GCB and getting the swags, you can just click on mark as completed. And for the quiz, you have the solutions in the document itself. You can refer to them. I'm also making one universal document here. You will find all the question answers to all the quizzes in here itself, so that you don't need to keep on going through back and forth again and again to find a solution. So I'll share this in the description of this video. You will find the you might find it useful. As for the labs, I still haven't checked out the labs yet, so I will check out the labs and get back to you how you can complete it fast and how you can properly do it. So I'll come up with another video. And as for like this cloud entire thing is really complex. There are many topics that should be learned to properly understand Google Cloud. So I don't have that much of, like, I did not prepared enough for teaching you through this video how to learn those concepts. Like there is a networking concept, is TCP, ICP, then there is Kubernetics also some information, and I know some information, like I know little bit knowledge about it. I don't know about it in depth. Uh, there's also data warehouse and all that. In this From this quizzes only you will understand what's there and what's not. Like it's all information, right? Theory. If you don't practically apply it, then these are just information. Anyone can read up information. So yeah, I have not practically applied it. So that's why I don't have that much confidence in explaining these concepts. So I will leave that, just do at your own pace, and I'll come up with another video for the courses part. Yeah, that's it.